Introducing LT, the megalodon of extravagant techniques.
You just want to make sure that everything is up. You already know where his edge up is already, so it's gonna make it a lot easier. I'm going in. I'm slicing and dicing. Once we look at this, you can kind of look at it and see around. You be like, okay, cool. But now you let the client decide which one he wants to go with. And so what I do with this, I just kind of come here. I don't go all the way down on the front right there. I just kind of be back a little bit, and I push this down right here. Just like that. That's good right there. So you want to come in, you want to make sure that's kind of tight and snug and firm. And so now when you're doing it like that, make sure that you don't hit too hard off in there. I just kind of come in and hit right here. Put this on his head right here. Be kind of uniform all the way around. Ooh, look like K-Roll. Look like sugar water, don't it, boy? And we want to comb through it like this. Yeah, just lay it right there. On the front, make sure we get all over that line. And just straight back to the back, just like that. Yeah, just like that. And kind of press it down with your finger. Now we just want to push down to make sure all the hair sticks. Kind of hit it. And I'm gonna come back in the front or whatever and do some enhancing on the front. Yeah, man.
You look natural as hell, man.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. What do you want to know?
And what he's doing now over there now, he's doing some enhancements. Got them right there, so basically, see how it is at the scalp? So if you start thinning it out and then you start laying it down, it's gonna lay down even flatter. Say for instance, like if you do see some imperfections, because when you start combing the hair, like what you were saying, Lou, like when you start getting here and it start going back or whatever, so now you can see it, so I'm just doing here. So if you gotta do anything in the imperfections, you can come here with some of the spray, or you can come in with some of the fibers now and kind of hit it after you put the mousse and stuff on there. Then you can always come in there and you can kind of. so the back matches up pretty good. The sides matches up pretty good. Matches up good. Now I can kind of come down in the front. The biggest enemy to your client is gonna be close friends and close family. The people who you deal with directly every day. Next day, hey man, this ain't what I thought it was. I say, it's not what you thought it was or your family and your friends thought it was. So you know what I'm saying, I need to know, because this text message that you sent me yesterday told me you done changed my life. I done been these places and people talking about it look good. But now when you get home, you get around your homeboys, they tell you something different. Yeah. Now you want your money back, man. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, man. So, you know what I'm saying, once you address that, hey, you'll have it whooped. Because you can go in Walmart right now with this hair and somebody will see you and they'll be like, bro, that look good, bro. Go to your cousin or somebody like that or what up, bro, man, why you get that on your head, man? Why? That don't make no sense. Yeah, because, you know, they might have been bald head for 10 years, 5 years. They ain't used to that now. I suggest and for people to go to everybody's class out there. So then, therefore, when you go, because I teach a certain way, everybody else teach a certain way. So once you go to everybody's class, then you can start formulating your own plans, game plans on how to tackle certain things. LT, the Megalodon.
Hi, I'm LaWanda Gray from Mansfield, Texas. The name of my salon is House of Locks and Braids. I'm here at Extravagant Techniques. Took an awesome class today and learned so many different things as it relates to man units. I believe the information that I learned is priceless. I will be able to use it for years and years to come. I learned a lot from LT, the Megalodon. His class was awesome. You should take it.
How y'all doing today? I'm Big Lou from Haircut City Barbershop, Minneapolis, Minnesota, out here in the great state of Texas. Man, I just attended the best man unit class I ever seen. This dude did man units. He did 3 to 5 weeks. He did 3 to 7 months. Man, that's the best class I done had and seen. I've been to 5 of them. This dude dotted I's across T's I ain't never seen.
Hi, I'm Barbara Milligan, and I reside in Houston, Texas. I teach in Austin, Texas at the Vail Barber School. Today's experience with LT and working with the male units have been great. He gave all the information that he could, plus some. So the idea of expanding our career and making it better for people who have issues or problematic hairs, it's an answer. So I'm grateful that he was able to even share all the way down to vendors and different things like that. In a lot of classes, they don't give you the information. They want you to call him back. Of course, he do allow us to call him back. He say even video time to help. So I would say this was a great experience, and with a number of models, hand-on experience is the best thing ever. As an educator, I would say A1.